Hey guys, it's Ashley from Nautic Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Harrison Blake. This is a men's fashion subscription box. Each box comes with one tie and 4 accessories, $25 a month. There is a coupon code. I'll put that down below for you guys. I think it's half off your first month, which is amazing. All right, so I did glimpse in, and it's like a blue gold theme. All the selections from them are like color coordinated, so I think that's so cool. All right, so here is everything. All right, so let's do the tie first because that's always the most fun part. So this is definitely a beautiful blue gold. This is from Harrison Blake's line. So as you can see, it has the tag. Don't mind my nails, they look awful. I love this color combo. I think this is like super like modern, but also there's something very like traditional about it. All right, what else? We've got a pocket square. Okay, whoopsie doodle. Here's our, this is like a jacquard, is that right? Am I wrong? I don't know, I could be wrong. That's what it looks like to me. I'm gonna take it out of a paper. Maybe not, maybe I'll just keep it in there. Okay, I got it. Look how gorgeous it is. I love these. Isn't it pretty? Oh, it's so pretty. It looks like it just has this like very like sheer sheen. I'm just gonna eat it. All right, next we have some socks, which I always keep these. You guys know that. I love me some cool socks. These are blue and gold dotted. Ooh, so stripes and polka dots. Loving it. They're super soft too. They're like super soft. Oh, I love it. I love them. Oh, definitely gonna be wearing those. Then we've got 2 items here. So these are smaller items. The first is a pin. And it's also in blue and gold. It's like a little globe, do you see? Blue and gold globe with a gold like pleated outlay. I like that, that's cool. Very different. But very color coordinated. I love it. And then we have a tie clip. So, get this baby out. Look how cool that is. What is it? Like some sort of, looks, what is that called? Like not plastic, but you know that stuff they used to use back in the 40s, like Bakelite? That's what it reminds me of. I know it's not, but that's really neat. I like that. The way that will set off your tie. How cool. So isn't that awesome? So $25 for all of that. They say the total value is $93, and I do have a code here for any 65% off anything in their online store, and that's BLK November 17. That's awesome. I hope that's still active. Oh, this is the December package, just so you guys know. There it is on the card, and then it tells you the retail prices. If you're interested in that, I'll link to the full blog review below. I'll also link to Harrison Blake so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.